So this is the final video of section 2. Section 2 is about getting more done by spending less time on unimportant things. And this video is about overcoming your personality drivers. Now, one of them is the Be Perfect driver that I've already talked about. But there are two other drivers I want to mention. And they're both pretty common. I've got one of them. And if you've got either of these two drivers, you need to know about it and try to overcome it. These drivers will cause you to achieve less in your life, but they'll also increase the amount of stress that you've got. So it's really important to learn about these. So we've talked about Be Perfect. I also want to talk about the Hurry Up driver. So this is a little voice in your head that says, quick, quick, do more, come on, fit more in, do two things at once, answer the phone while you're walking along the road. And so what this is doing is it gives you the illusion that if you go faster, you can get more done. But a bit like the Be Perfect driver, the more you feed it, the stronger it gets. It becomes an obsession in the end. And you'll never finish everything. When you die, you will still have a jobs to do list. So desperately trying to work through your jobs and finish everything is unhealthy, and all it will do is make you feel frazzled. So it's important to realise that life isn't about trying to finish the list. Life is about taking time to smell the roses, stopping for a bit just to look at a view or to feel the sunshine on your face or to chat to somebody. Take a bit of time to chat to somebody. I used to think that time management was about arriving with 1 minute to go just before the meeting starts. Yes, perfect time management. But actually it's not. It's about turning up 20 minutes early and having a bit of time just to chat to the other people. That might be the best bit of your day, the most enjoyable and the most useful bit of your day. So try to overcome your hurry up driver by pushing back against it and deliberately taking a bit longer to do things. The third driver is the please others driver. And again, this is a voice in your head which gets bigger over time if you let it. And this is where you think, what will other people think? Will they mind? What if they don't like me? And so people with the please others driver are always worrying about other people. And they end up trying to please everybody else and not pleasing themselves. And I think you can see how this is also going to be bad for your state of mind. And it's going to increase your stress. And if you think about it, stress comes from all these drivers, trying to make everything perfect, trying to do everything quickly, and worrying about what other people are going to think. They all contribute to stress. And I'm going to give you two other examples of where these drivers interfere with your productivity. If you're a manager, they will interfere with your ability to delegate. Because the Be Perfect person will think, well, I can't delegate it because they won't do it the way I would have done it. And they probably won't do it perfectly, but you've still got to let it go, because otherwise it takes up too much of your time. The hurry up person will also be a bad delegator, because they'll think, well, I haven't got time to explain it. It's quicker to do it myself. Which is true for the first time, but of course it pays back later if you delegate. So the hurry up person is a really bad delegator. And if they do delegate, they're thinking, oh, look how slowly they're doing it. Give it back to me, I'll finish it. Someone said to me, the only thing that's worse than watching somebody do something badly is watching them do it slowly. And I think that's really true, actually. I find that. But if you're going to delegate, you've got to let them do it more slowly than you would do it. And then the please others driver, what effect does that have on delegation? Well, I think you can see that if you've got the please others driver, you're going to be thinking, well, it's not a very nice job and she is a bit busy. I'll do it myself. And that's totally wrong. You're the boss. You should be delegating it. They'll find a way to fit it in. So delegation is really ruined by those three drivers. But the other thing I wanted to talk about was your holidays and how they are affected by the drivers. So just think, the Be Perfect person, what are they like on holiday? And the answer is, everything's got to be exactly right and it's all neatly planned and the bus should have been here at 9 o'clock and it's 1:15 and they gave us a room with a bath instead of a shower. And if you're not careful, the Be Perfect driver will ruin your holiday. And if you go to a fairly crazy country like, let's say, India, which is just the most brilliant country, you're never going to tidy up India. You're never going to make India perfect. And the whole point is, don't. Just surrender to it. Just go with the flow and it'll be brilliant. So it could be that if you're a bit frazzled and you want to enjoy your holidays more and enjoy your personal life a bit more, the first thing is to get rid of your Be Perfect driver. What's the hurry up person going to be like on holiday? And the answer is they're going to be going, right, Taj Mahal, done that. We've got to carry on. We've got to catch the 3:15 train. And And really, you shouldn't be rushing. You should just chill and enjoy and spend all day just looking at the amazing Taj Mahal. So the please others driver will also interfere in your holidays. And then finally, the please others driver. How will that interfere with your holiday? Well, please others people are worrying about what presents should we buy for people back home. They have to spend the last few days trying to find a present for somebody. But also, they'll probably spend the last day cleaning the place where they've been staying, cleaning the villa. And their worst nightmare is that as they leave, the cleaners are there going, there they are, the dirty family. And so please others people are spend so much time worrying about what everybody else thinks, they forget to enjoy their own holiday. They might even go on a holiday they don't want to go on because the rest of the family want to go on a skiing holiday or whatever it is. So the please others driver will also ruin your holidays. All three of these will interfere with your delegating, your holidays, they'll give you stress. So it's vital to get control over these personality drivers. So have a little think now. Think, have I got a bit too much of the be perfect? Have I got a bit too much hurry up? Have I got too much of the please others? And start to push back against them. Your therapy is to either let go of the detail if you're too perfect, chill a bit if you've got the hurry up, or be a bit more selfish if you've got the please others. Do the things that you want to do, because after all, it's your life.